what you will need is a sizer. Okay, you will need a tightrope RT. This is for the femur part. It is, as you can see, there's a blue suture which is the leading suture, and the white suture is the cinching suture or the shortening suture. It's already attached to a button. Okay, next is an ABS tightrope, which is the adjustable button system. Okay, it also comes with a white suture tail to shorten, and this tightrope can elongate and shorten also. Okay, we also need a number 2 fiber loop. Fiber loop is just another fiber wire which is already looped naturally and connected to a straight needle. Okay, then this is for the fiber loop is to whip stitch the graft, and Prof will always use number 0 fiber wire to tuberize. Okay, this is the graft board. Okay, then the attachment that you need will be this attachment, which is has the ability to tension the graft, and also has a button holder. Okay, which goes here. And then next we will require this attachment. This is also be able to hold the button, but we're not going to use it. What we want to use is the rubber band as well. So both of the attachments has rubber bands. Okay, one is on the left, one is on the right. Okay, Prof will always harvest the graft. Okay, so after harvesting the graft, we will clean it. Once clean it already, Prof will always say take the best 240. So we will cut about 240 lah. So this shoelace just to simulate the graft. Okay, good. So we will put the tight ropes first. This tight rope will go here, femur. Okay, how you hold it is you hold by the sides of the button, making sure all the sutures are on top of the button. Okay, this blue one especially. And then make sure it is away from the board. Pull the head back, okay, and slot it in. It might be a little bit tough when you are wearing gloves, but don't worry about it. This is how it's attached, close all the way down. Okay, sutures away. The loop is as such. Okay, it did not go the other way, so we just follow through. The other tight rope for the tibial side, the loose strands are also away. So you take the junction, slot through the rubber band. Okay, pull tight to secure. Okay, then it will be attached. Yep. So once you clean the graft is ready, you will start from the tibial side. Okay, load it halfway. Okay, and then we load to the femur side. You can bring this closer, press and push. Okay, so one strand will go from bottom up into the femur loop. The other strand will be top bottom of the femur loop. Okay, bring them together. Take an artery or an Alice, just clamp at the edge, just to hold it like that. Okay, so you will use the fiber loop. So first, always loop through the graft. Loop will always go through the graft. You will whip stitch about 1 cm. Is more than enough. Okay, so you will start with loop first, then the loop goes away, then needle comes down. Okay, then again open up the loop, loop through the graft, loop away, and then needle goes through. Okay, so you will whip stitch all the way to the end. Once you are done, see this part, you don't cut the metal loop, but you cut the sutures. Okay, just take a knife. Knife is easier.